Hi, this is Janice from PinayInvestor.com. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons not to invest in the stock market. I also created a video where I shared 5 reasons to invest in the stock market. And if you want to watch that, just click on the link on the screen or at the description box below. Anyways, so here are the 5 reasons not to invest in the stock market. The first is if you don't know what the stock market is and how it works. Before you think of investing in the stock market, you need to have at least a basic knowledge of the stock market. You know, what are stocks, what is the stock market, what is stock exchange or the Philippine Stock Exchange, all the basics. And if you're really interested to learn more about it, you can read articles, you can search for blogs online. Actually, there are a lot of those online. In fact, I also have created a blog about this at PinayInvestor.com. And if you have time or if you have funds, you can also attend seminars. There are free and paid seminars about the stock market out there. Second is if you don't have enough money or funds. Absolutely. You need funds in order to start investing. How can you invest if you don't have money, right? So if you don't have money yet, then the first thing that you need to do is to save first. You need to set aside a portion of your money for your future investment. The third is you have money but you don't have an emergency fund. You have to set aside at least 3 to 6 months worth of your monthly expenses in a separate savings account. So why do you need an emergency fund? Because this is what you'll use in case of emergency. For example, you're working in a corporate world and all of a sudden your boss just told you that you're fired. So, of course, while you're looking for another job or a new job, you still have to continue paying your bills or for your food, your monthly rent, and all those. So having an emergency fund will save you from all these burden. That's why it's very important that you set aside a portion of your money, of your savings, or of your income for your emergency fund. And once you have 3 to 6 months worth of your monthly expenses in your emergency fund, then that would be the best time to invest in the stock market. Fourth is you don't have a clear investment goal. Let me ask you this. Why do you want to invest in the stock market? Or why are you investing in the stock market if you're already investing? Is it for your wedding? Is it for your child's education? Is it for your house or car? For travel fund or for retirement fund? You need to have a clear goal on why you're investing in the stock market. You can't just say that you want to save money or you want to invest your money in the stock market or you want your money to work hard for you. Of course, that's true, but you need to have clear investment goals, specific objectives on why you're investing in the stock market. Why? Because it will keep you motivated on why you should invest in the stock market or set aside 5,000 or 1,000 pesos for your investment in the stock market monthly because you're looking forward to a goal that you're planning to have 2 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 or 30 years from now, if it's for your retirement or for your travel fund. So again, if you don't have a clear investment goal, then you should not invest in the stock market just yet. The fifth is you should not invest in the stock market if you're too emotional or you're too afraid to lose your money in the stock market. I'm sure you've heard this before that we should only invest the money that you can afford to lose. I know it's hard, it's challenging, it's difficult, but why are you afraid to lose your money anyway? For me, if you're afraid to lose your money, it's because of the first 4 reasons that I mentioned earlier. You're afraid to lose your money because you don't know what the stock market is. You don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're getting into. Second is you're afraid to lose your money because you don't have enough money or funds at all. Maybe you just borrowed your money from a friend or from your family, from your parents, and you're afraid to lose because you don't know where to get the money from to pay your debts. Third is you're afraid to lose your money because you have money but you don't have an emergency fund. In case something happens, knock on wood, you don't know where to get the fund from. And fourth, you're afraid to lose money because you don't have a clear investment goal. you don't know what it's for. You don't know why you're investing. And another reason why people get too emotional as they invest or trade in the stock market is because stock market indeed is a risky type of investment. So you really have to assess if you can bear the emotions, if you can bear the results of your investments. What will happen or what will you feel if you lose half of your investment or all of your investment? So you really have to be positive. You really have to think as if your money is gone when you invest in the stock market. But the positive side of it is, of course, if you invest long term, more often than not, it will really give you high potential returns. So if you are any of these, or if you have any of these items that I've mentioned, then you should think again. Think if you are ready to invest in the stock market, or if you need more time to study the stock market, to prepare yourself before you invest in the stock market. Most of these items are based on my experience, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post your comments down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's Pinay Investor, and my blog is pinayinvestor.com. Again, this is Janice. Thank you for watching, and enjoy learning and investing.